Also, secure all loose articles, such as hats and glasses. During your ride, please keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the car at all times. Now sit back and enjoy your ride as you experience the sting of the Scorpion.
Bienvenidos al Scorpion. Una vez se haya sentado, por favor baje la barra de seguridad hasta su cintura y si está sentado solo, baje la barra que se encuentra a su lado. Además, asegure todos sus artículos.
Don't worry about it, man.
Durante su paseo, por favor, mantenga sus manos, brazos, piernas y pies
Here we
dentro del
go.
carro en todo momento. Ahora sí.
Hey, Bob. What are we doing, buddy?
Not sure we are.
We're coming up now.
I'll let you know how I am.
Here we go. Can they see us?
Yeah, right there.
Here we go, guys. Way worse than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, wow, we survived.
I actually had to close my eyes on it.
Oh, my goodness me.